In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, hit the same one. You can also go into Settings and click on Location. Then click on this switcher next to Location Services to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!